Cathy Borrero, a.k.a. Cosambella. Today I'm starting a new series called Quarenflip, Quarantine and Flip. It's inspired by thrift, but right now I'm not really thrifting anything. I choose to stay home. Maybe you should do. We are going to give the life that we want right now to our clothes. Bueno, comencemos. Let's measure how long you want your top to be. Mine it's a bit under my belly button. Chop chop. Ciao ciao, vestido hermoso, bello, divino. Right here I'm trying actually to explain. I didn't know what was the name in English, so yeah. Next thing that I'm going to do is a double fold hem. This we're going to use also for the neckline and the hem of the skirt. Now I'm obsessed with a square neckline. I find them very elegant. I don't know why, I just love them. If you want the neckline that you already have, is fine. I'm just obsessed with a square neckline, so I'm doing it again, and I will do again a double fold. If you're going to do this beautiful square line, please tag me on social media at Cosambella. I just really love to see your results. Here I'm cutting very careful the back pockets of the jeans for later to add a new one with extra fabric from the top. Next step is sewing the new back pockets. O sea, mira. Ay, o sea, quedó divino, quedó hermoso. Hay un saludito hermoso a las amigas de mi mamá. So now we are going to mark a line. Well, I thought it was going to be like full jeans. I'm going to rip them off under my... That was a bad idea. The fact that I was actually so excited. I didn't know better, but yeah, okay. Of course that happened.
No! God, please, no!
So yeah, I knew at this moment that was not going to happen. So now we are just cutting the jeans at knee length, and we're going also to cut it apart by the inner legs of the jeans. And now you just sew two straight lines till the end. Now I'm just making a random form to attach to my skirt to make it a bit personalized. Pin it together, and now we start sewing again. I love how the shape was formed already, so now I'm measuring how long I want the skirt to be. The last step is sewing the double fold hem of the skirt. Quedó una Cosambella.